Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically change your wallpaper on your iPhone using iOS 17. Let's get started. First things first, open settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on wallpaper. This is where you can customize your wallpapers. Now tap on add new wallpaper. Here you can choose various options like photos, patterns, or even live wallpaper. To set up automatic changes, select Photo Shuffle. This options let your iPhone change the wallpaper based on the photos you select. Now choose the photos you want to use. You can select multiple photos, albums. Now you can also select how often you want to wallpaper to change. Option include every time you lock your screen, daily or hourly, or tap. Once you're satisfied with your selection, tap Add to confirm your new wallpaper settings, and that's it. You've successfully set up a new wallpaper change automatically on your iPhone with iOS 17.